Page here at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard this all-new 2020 Harris 210 Cruiser. The first thing you'll see is the beautiful mocha pearl exterior, silver accent stripe, silver railing, brings it all together with a desert camel interior. This boat features our patented gate hinges, which give you a 400-pound capacity. Won't pop open while you're underway. Saltwater addition, of course. So you come around, this boat has Harris's very unique single lounger floor plan. So not only do you get the nice aft-facing sun pad on this boat, but you get full use of the rear deck thanks to our stainless steel railing. This boat's also powered by a Mercury 115 horsepower Pro XS motor, not a standard 115. As you come around here, you'll see our nice 4-step stainless steel ladder. Here we are on the interior of this 2020 Harris 210 Cruiser. Once again, this vessel features the single lounger layout. So not only do you get the L-shaped seating in the interior of the boat, but you get the expansive sun pad off the aft with the flip-flop backrest. Ergonomically laid out helm with stainless steel bezel gauges, a nice high-back home seat with flip-up armrest. So we come around to the front, you'll see this boat also has a black acrylic table already cut out for wine glasses, and nice forward-facing loungers, both with recessed cup holders on both sides. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or call me direct, 407-394-7623.